Right, Troy is going to cut his system in on a block because he's a clever man, and over the course of the next couple of days he's also going to go to his barber with the old system he's got on his head, and you can watch, he's going to film that and watch the barber cut it, and then he's going to go home and with the help of his beloved girlfriend they're going to do the attachment together. So this is going to be an awesome video. At the moment Troy's taking up just to put it on the block, and the block name is Susan. Me and Troy are here, and Susan, looks like a Susan at the moment. The hair comes in 6 inches long, and then it's cut to start. So clever Troy is gonna do the fitting on a block, and like I said in the previous one, over the next few days we'll attach it to his head as also. See how natural that looks even on Susan.
Yeah, still got the protector lace on there as well.
Yeah. So this cutting on the block with the lockdown, we've done well over 100 now, and it's worked fantastically with people sending in the measurements and styles. So more than likely with another lockdown coming, this option is open. Did I say more than likely?
More than likely.
Well, it's gonna happen, isn't it? Troy the clever man said he just cuts these bits when it's on.
Yeah, just to make it a little bit tighter, because my
you find it easier that way?
Yeah, just when it's on I can blend it into this section better. So when it's long,
yeah,
I can literally
I see.
cut in and make sure that corner fits me better.
Okay, so the people that want their hair cut on the block, what you got to do is cut your head off and send it in special delivery so we can just do the edges.
That's it. That just works for me. Obviously, yeah. Some people like it a bit fuller. I like it. So if you look at my system when it's on, if you took it off, it's actually probably shorter here.
Yeah.
Just so it fits in my template better.
Template, yeah. Temple peaks.
Obviously, some people like it longer. I prefer it shorter in the corners.
Okay. But that's cutting on the block and it's getting there.
Getting there, sniffing out a little bit. Just to definitely take the razor through it.
Definitely doesn't look like Susan now. It looks more like Sam. Or Simon.
And then, just because I usually wear it when it's new with a lift, obviously as I get older I tend to wear it more forward.
Yep.
To hide my hairline a little bit better over time.
Make the most of that fantastic
exactly
hair.
So I always wear it up a little bit more in when they're brand new. And then obviously as I get older, I mean the one I'm wearing is like what, 9 months old now?
9 months old, it looks pretty good. Look at that.
Months. And then
it's older than that.
Yeah, no, this is all 9 months old.
Yeah.
But I had another one on in between.
Yeah.
So I worked for 7, took another one off, and then put in for 9 months, and then put this one on back for another 2.
There we go.
And then
thank you for not taking so many hair systems off me, Troy.
That's it. Just look after him. You get a lot out of them.
Yeah.